In this video, I will show you how to get direct deposit form from Bank of America app. Let's dive in. Go on bankofamerica.com, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. In the search box, type direct deposit and select the direct deposit form on Bank of America result. At this point, you have two options: log in for an autofilled form or click setting up direct deposit for the standard form. Always check if your employer requires a specific form. Setting up direct deposit may take a few billing cycles depending on your employer's system. To get your Bank of America direct deposit form, click Download a direct deposit form, fill in employer details, account info, and percentage if needed. Remember, the completed form goes to your employer, not Bank of America. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.